So hello guys, today I will discuss with you AppBar widget. So create a new Dart file. Name is AppBar widget. In the AppBar widget, I will use material. So first import material. I can create a stateless. So class stateless widget. A return scaffold. What is the import of AppBar in our application project? So in the scaffold, I will use AppBar. In the AppBar, I will use title text AppBar. Style textile color is a white. Okay. Then in the body, I will use a center widget. In the child, I will use a text widget, and text is a body. Style textile color is a white. 9. Import this. Is a spelling mistake, okay, and run it. Background color is light blue. Okay, center title. The scaffold background color is black, so full screen color is black, and body textile color is white, so you can see text in the center. Center title is true, so AppBar widget title is true. Center tool, you can set the toolbar height. I'll set 17. In the leading, you can use any widget. I will use icon widget. In the icon, I will use menu widget. Color is white. Then run. In the action is end of the AppBar end part. You can use in the action list of widgets. So I will use two icons in action bar. The action bar is a AppBar end right side. You can set the shape of the AppBar. I will use a round rectangle border. In the border radius, I will use a border radius only bottom right and bottom left. The value is a 20, same as left side. So you can see the display. The shape is a change. So thank you for watching this video.